Hello student, today we will going to start the method of how to solve the limit. So the first method is a factorization method. For factorization method we will take the example. In this method, if the numerator and denominator gives not given in the factorized form, then it is first we have to factor the numerator and denominator, and then in the result put the limit and find the answer. So for this we take example limit of x tends to 2 x minus 2 divided by x square plus x minus 6. So here what are the factors of x square plus x minus 6? Here it is already in factor form, therefore numerator is no need. So x tends to 2, x minus 2 divided by factor is 3 to the 6. Now middle sign is plus, therefore here minus. Therefore factors are x plus 3, x minus 2. Now here x plus 3, x minus 2. In the numerator and denominator, x minus 2 cancel out. Then put the limit. 1 by 2 plus 3 is equal to 1 by 5. Next example. Limit of x tends to 3, x square minus 9 into 1 by x plus 3 plus of 1 by x minus 3. First we have start this bracket by LCM method. Therefore the limit of x tends to 3 x square minus 9 into bracket LCM is x plus 3 x minus 3. Therefore x plus 3 LCM divided by denominator and multiplied by numerator. X plus 3 cancel out. Here x minus 3 plus of here x minus 3 cancel out. Here is the x plus 3. Then limit of x tends to 3 x square minus 9 into the bracket x minus 3 plus of x plus 3 divided by this multiplication is a plus b, a minus b, a square minus b square. It is x square minus b square, that is the 3 square. Next step, limit of x tends to 3 x square minus 9 into the bracket x plus x 2x minus 3 and plus 3 cancel out, and here it is the x square minus 9. So x square minus 9 cancel out. Therefore limit of x tends to 3 2x is equal to 2 multiplied by 3. Answer is 6. Next method is a rationalization method. Second method is rationalization method. In this method, if the function given in irrational form, if the function given in irrational form, then apply rationalization method. For understanding, we will take the example. Limit of x tends to 0 under root 3 plus x minus of root 3 divided by x. Now here the numerator given in the irrational form. So if the given in irrational form, then it need to be rationalized the numerator. So limit of x tends to 0 under root 3 plus x minus of root 3 divided by x into root 3 plus x plus of root 3 divided by root 3 plus of x plus of root 3. Limit of x tends to 0. Here is the a minus b, a plus b, numerator multiplied by numerator. Therefore, a square minus b square root 3 plus of x square minus under root 3 square divided by x into under root 3 plus x plus of root 3. Limit of x tends to 0. Its under root square means 3 plus x, and here root 3 square is minus 3 divided by x into under root 3 plus x plus of root 3. Now here plus 3 minus 3 cancel out. This x is cancelled with this x. Therefore, limit of x tends to 0 1 by under root 3 plus of x plus of root 3. Put the limit, we will get root 3 plus of 0 plus of root 3, that is equal to 1 by 2 root 3 is the answer. Comment on that.
8 minutes 26 seconds. शिकू शकता तुम्ही.
Okay. Next example, evaluate limit of x tends to 3 under root 2x plus 3 minus under root 4x minus 3 divided by x square minus 9. So in this example, that both the factorization and the rationalization method is used, because numerator given in the integer form and the denominator given in the factorized form. Okay, so it must to be a factorized. So limit of x tends to 0, first we use the rationalize the numerator 2x plus of 3 minus under root 4x minus 3 divided by x square minus 9 as it is. Then rationalize it. So rationalize 2x plus 3 plus of under root 4x minus 3 divided by under root 2x plus 3 plus of under root 4x minus 3. Then again next step, limit of x tends to 3. Now here again this is the a plus b, a minus b, that will be a square minus b square. Therefore under root 2x plus 3 square minus under root 4x minus 3 square divided by x square minus 9 into under root 2x plus of 3 plus of under root 4x minus 3. Next step, limit of x tends to 3. Root 2x plus 3 square means the 2x plus of 3 minus of here 4x minus 3 divided by x square minus 9, it is in factorized form, x minus 3 x plus 3 into under root 2x plus of 3 plus of root 4x minus 3. Limit of x tends to 3, 2x plus 3, minus sign before the bracket, therefore minus sign is multiple to the bracket, minus 4x minus minus plus 3 divided by x minus 3 x plus 3 into under root 2x plus 3 plus of under root 4x minus 3. Limit of x tends to 3. Now here plus 2x and minus 4x, here is the minus 2x and plus 3 plus 3 plus 6 divided by x minus 3 x plus 3 into under root 2x plus 3 plus of under root 4x plus 3. Here limit of x tends to 3. If minus 2 will be a common out from these, then we will get the x minus 3 in the numerator and x minus 3 x plus 3 denominator will be as it is, 2x plus 3 plus of under root 4x plus 3. Now this x minus 3 cancel out and then put the limit. minus 2 divided by x is here 3 plus 3 into under root 2 multiplied by 3 plus of 3 plus of under root 4 multiplied by 3 plus of 3. That is equal to minus 2 divided by 3 plus 3, 6 into under root 2, 3 to the 6 plus 3 plus of 4 3 the 12 plus 3. That is equal to minus 2 divided by 6 into 9 plus of 15. 12 plus of 3, 4x plus of here just a mistake. Here is the minus 3. Here also minus and here also minus. Therefore 4 3 the 12 minus 3. Again 12 minus 3 we will get here 9. Therefore minus 2 divided by 6 into 9 plus of 9 2 times under root 9. So minus 2 6 multiplied by 2 into under root 9 is a 3. 2 cancel, that is equal to minus 1 by 80 is the answer. So we stop here.